Hello guys, this is Dayo again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your grayscale paintings or art into a colored painting. I've done another similar tutorial regarding to this on my YouTube channel, so you can go check it out. So all you need to do is just lock up the layers, just lock them up. After you're done locking them up, then alpha lock them. So after you're done alpha locking them, then you select a felt pen tool. After selecting a felt pen tool, there is a skin palette. A skin palette will be provided for you in the description box, so just in case you're interested. But if you can create your own skin palette, skin tone for skin tones, either black or white, it's fine with me. It's fine as far as you can be able to create. It's fine. So I'm trying to bring out the color palette that I'll be using for this particular reference. So I'm just randomly picking out the color. I just hope it turns out well. So after you're done picking out up the color and placing it on a different layer, all you need to do is just select your felt pen tool, which you used to pick up the colors. You select your base color, then you go to the layer of your grayscale, which is the layer of your gray color, or let's say your base color, the layer of your base color, which is the gray color, and apply that same base color of the skin tone on the gray. So it's going to automatically replace the gray with the skin color. So when you're done with that, make sure you fill up the gray. You just make sure you fill up the gray and there's nothing left. There's no gray left in the skin. So then you select the dark shade or the darker shade, anyone you prefer. Just go to the layer above, which is the shading layer, which is the shadow layer. Then you apply the color on the shadow layer. It will make sure it's locked, and it will automatically replace the color you want as the shadow. So when you're done, you do the same thing for the highlights. You can also go furthermore by detailing. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment box, or you can also private chat me on my Facebook page and on my Instagram page. So I'm sure this tutorial helps you in one way or the other. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and see you in my next video. Keep watching. Bye.